Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about one of best crypto exchange where you not only trade, but you also get different Web 3.0 services, including security and privacy of data, decentralization, data ownership, and transparency. This project gets a massive funding for strategic development and also get a supportive institutional investor. In this video, I will provide you complete details about their project, and in the next few minutes you realize why this project is set to be the next big thing in crypto. At the end of the video, I will provide you details that how you can claim their free tokens, so make sure to watch this video till end. But before the start of video, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and press bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Today's project named BIB Exchange. BIB Exchange is the world's first centralized cryptocurrency exchange with Web3 Ecosystem. BIB Ecosystem is trying to solve these issues: Web3 lack of traffic and funding portals, security issue, privacy issues, ecological construction issues, current market gap between Web3 projects and exchanges. So now let's take a look how BIB Ecosystem deal with these problems. First, solve Web 3.0 traffic and funding issue. BIB Exchange is a world's leading digital asset trading platform that provides professional digital financial services to more than 2 million users worldwide, with an average daily asset flow of more than $1 billion USD. So having a large BIB network, funding and traffic is not an issue for BIB Exchange. Second, security issues. For the security of Web3, BIB Meta has a top-notch security team that conducts code audits to ensure zero product risk. Privacy protection. If you create an account in another centralized exchange, you need to provide your personal details. But BIB Exchange is serious about privacy. You can join the BIB Meta Web3 ecosystem without identity verification. Specifically, a cryptocurrency digital wallet that links to BIB Meta is the only thing required. Users can also apply for multiple wallets and only need to remember the private keys without having to reveal personal privacy information such as email address, phone number, and others. Now let's discuss their token use case and tokenomics. Their maximum supply of BIB token is 100 billion. 15% for business and intellectual property collaboration, 25% for treasury and ecosystem construction, 16% for NFT and community node rewards, 9% for marketing and operations, 15% for private funding, 15% for project team development, 2% for IDO, 3% for liquidity management. Next, the use case of BIB token is: first, deflationary mechanism, minting NFT through token burning. BIB Meta is built revolving around the idea of NFT, so users are able to mint NFT via the burning of BIB tokens. The minted NFT can then be applied to enjoy various gameplay in the ecosystem of BIB Meta. Empowerment of value and liquidity in NFT. The combination of the BIB Meta Web3 ecosystem and BIB token gives value and provides liquidity to NFT, which is equivalent to giving NFT a higher value beyond its own attributes. BUSD is a token dividend. Users may receive attractive dividends by merely holding a BIB token. Incidentally, an airdrop will be triggered once a token holding address reaches the amount of 1 BUSD. Match prediction and other GameFi. Users get to enjoy various kinds of GameFi within the BIB Meta ecosystem by using BIB tokens. It will mainly focus on the match prediction for the World Cup at the beginning and more GameFi, including online penalty shootout as well as sports competitions. Now let's discuss how you can claim their free tokens. To get token, you need to create an account on the platform. And on successful sign-up, you will get 1500 BIB token, 3500 BIB token for KYC verification, 15,000 BIB token for first-time deposit, and 500 BIB token on every referral. So what are you waiting for? Visit their website, link available in description, and start your new journey in your trading career. That's all for today. I provide you complete detail about their project. Their website and social media links are also available in the description. For more latest videos related to cryptocurrency, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.